got some shocking news that's going to blow your mind. I've analyzed over 500 small business websites in the past year, and here's what I discovered. 88% of them are complete failures when it comes to actually generating leads and sales. Now, before you think I'm being harsh, let me tell you what I mean. These websites look pretty, they load just fine, but they're doing absolutely nothing for the business. They're digital brochures that cost thousands to build but generate zero revenue. And if you're watching this video, there's a good chance your website might be one of them. Comment below right now if you've ever felt frustrated that your website isn't bringing in the customers you expected. I'm going to reveal the exact reasons why this happens and, more importantly, how to fix it. And trust me, what I'm about to show you will completely change how you think about your website. Let me start with a real example. Just 3 months ago, I worked with Sarah, who owns a boutique marketing agency. She had spent $8,000 on a beautiful website that looked absolutely stunning. The problem? In 6 months, it generated exactly 0 leads. Not one inquiry, not one phone call, nothing. Within 30 days of implementing what I'm about to share with you, her website was generating 15 qualified leads per month. Her revenue increased by 400% in just 3 months. But here's the crazy part. We barely changed how the website looked. We focused on what actually matters for lead generation. Now, hold on. This next part changes everything. Before I dive into the solution, I need you to understand something crucial. Most business owners think their website problems are about design or traffic. That's completely wrong. The real problems are invisible, and they're killing your conversions every single day. The first massive problem I see is what I call the visitor's dilemma. Your website visitors land on your page, and within 3 seconds, they're asking 3 questions. What do you do? How does it help me? And why should I choose you over your competitors? If your website doesn't answer these questions immediately and clearly, you've lost them. The average website visitor has the attention span of a goldfish, about 8 seconds. Most websites I analyze take 30 seconds or more to communicate their value proposition clearly. Here's what you need to do right now. Pause this video and go to your website. Look at your homepage and ask yourself, can someone who's never heard of your business understand exactly what you do and why they should care within 5 seconds? If not, you're bleeding potential customers every single day. This is the most important part of this entire video. What I'm about to show you will blow your mind, and it's the secret that most web agencies will never tell you. The second killer problem is what I call the trust vacuum. Your website might be beautiful, but if visitors don't trust you, they'll never become customers. And trust on the internet is built in very specific ways that most websites completely ignore. Here's the shocking truth. 74% of small business websites have 0 social proof on their homepage. No testimonials, no reviews, no case studies, nothing. Would you buy from a business that has no proof they've ever helped anyone? Of course not. But it gets worse. Most websites that do include testimonials make a critical mistake. They use generic testimonials that could apply to any business. Great service, highly recommend. Tells visitors absolutely nothing about what results they can expect. Comment below right now and tell me, how many specific, results-focused testimonials do you have on your homepage? Be honest. I bet most of you are realizing you have a trust problem right now. The third problem is the biggest revenue killer of all, the conversion cliff. This is where most websites completely fall apart, and it's costing businesses millions of dollars every year. Here's what happens. Someone visits your website. They're interested in what you do. They want to learn more, and then nothing. No clear next step. No compelling reason to take action. No easy way to get started. The average website conversion rate is just 2.35%. That means for every 100 people who visit your site, only 2 or 3 become customers. But here's what's crazy. With the right approach, you can easily double or triple that number. I've seen businesses go from 2% conversion rates to 8% or higher just by fixing their calls to action and making their next steps crystal clear. That's literally 4 times more customers from the same amount of traffic. You're not going to believe what happens next. This secret strategy I'm about to reveal has generated over $2 million in additional revenue for my clients in just the past year. Now, you might be thinking, Peter, this sounds expensive to fix. And you'd be right if you hired a traditional web agency. Most agencies charge $5,000 to $10,000 upfront just to start rebuilding your website. Then they take 3 to 6 months to deliver something that may or may not work. But here's the thing. You don't need to spend a fortune or wait months to start seeing results. At SwiftPress Support, we've completely reimagined how website optimization works. Instead of huge upfront costs, we handle everything for as little as $99 a month, less than what most businesses spend on coffee. We focus on one thing, building websites that actually generate leads and sales. Not just pretty websites, but websites that work 24/7 to grow your business. And every single website we build comes with our 30-day money-back guarantee because we're that confident in our results. If you're getting value from this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. I share strategies like this every week that can literally transform your business. And comment below if you recognize any of these problems in your own website. Now, let me give you 3 specific strategies you can implement immediately to start fixing these problems. First, create what I call a 5-second value statement. This is a single sentence that clearly explains what you do and the main benefit you provide. Put this at the very top of your homepage in large, bold text. Second, add what I call proof points, specific, results-focused testimonials that include numbers and outcomes. Instead of great service, use something like increased my sales by 300% in 60 days. Third, create a single path to success. One clear, obvious next step that you want every visitor to take. Don't give them 10 different options. Give them one compelling reason to take one specific action. Now, these 3 strategies will definitely help, but they're just scratching the surface. The real transformation happens when you implement our complete revenue-first website system, which I'll tell you how to access at the end of this video. But there's one more problem that's even more devastating than the others. And it's the reason why even websites that look professional still fail to generate leads. It's called the invisible barrier, and it's probably affecting your website right now without you even knowing it. This invisible barrier is silently turning away potential customers every single day, and most business owners have no idea it exists. The good news is, once you know what to look for, it's actually pretty easy to fix. Here's the thing. I could spend another 20 minutes breaking down every single aspect of the invisible barrier and showing you exactly how to fix it, but honestly, it's complex enough that it really requires a personalized approach for your specific business. That's why I offer free 30-minute strategy calls where I'll personally review your website and identify exactly what's holding it back. No sales pitch, no pressure, just me showing you the specific problems on your site and giving you a clear roadmap to fix them. Whether you end up working with us or not, you'll walk away with a clear plan to dramatically improve your website's performance. And if you do decide you'd like our help implementing these changes, we can discuss how our monthly subscription service works. We work with both existing businesses that need their websites fixed and brand new startups that want to get it right from the beginning. Our focus is always the same, building websites that actually generate revenue for your business. So here's what I want you to do right now. First, go check out your own website with fresh eyes. Look for those 3 problems I mentioned: the unclear value proposition, the lack of social proof, and the confusing next steps. Second, if you want me to personally review your website and show you exactly what's holding it back, grab a free strategy call. I'll put the link in the description below. These calls fill up fast, so don't wait on this. Third, make sure you're subscribed to this channel because next week I'm revealing the #1 mistake that's killing your website search rankings. This is something that 90% of business owners are doing wrong, and it's costing them thousands of potential customers every month. And finally, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with another business owner who might be struggling with their website. The more successful businesses we have in our communities, the stronger our economy becomes. I'm Peter from SwiftPress Support, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to grab that strategy call. Your future customers are waiting for you to fix these problems. And if you want to see more website optimization strategies that actually work, check out this playlist where I break down real case studies from businesses that went from 0 leads to 6-figure revenue.